Here is both the mini boys finally fully repaired. I got the blue one today and got him all fixed up, and I got the red one yesterday and got him all fixed up. So the red one is super yellowed and the plastic is brittle. That's his box, but the plastic in him is super brittle and just all sort of yellowed and just gross. He kind of leans now because I tried to take a pin out of the foot and broke part of the leg. Fun. This one's hips move really slow because the belt is too big. Because the belt was bad in the hips, that's why they weren't moving. And so, yeah. He just moves really slow because of that. His hat arm works fine. Both of their hat arms worked fine. And they still work fine. His spinning arm worked fine. No, doesn't really have any problems. It doesn't really spin them around, but it's alright. And the mini blue, I fixed his little lever piece inside. I don't really feel like ripping it open and showing you, but I fixed his little lever piece inside. And I fixed his spinning arm, and the way I fixed his spinning arm, because the reason it was spinning so slow is because the belt was bad. And so what I did was I actually did a lot of modifying to the arm, and actually it's a gear-driven mech now. I took the little belt pulleys off, and I put gears on there and kind of modified it around to make it work. So he spins extremely fast, but it's also extremely loud. And I did put grease and everything in it to make it, last, try to make it as quiet as I could, but, there's only so much I can do. So, I guess I will show off the mini blue first, as this is the first time he's, you guys have ever seen him. So, turn it this way and show him off. Like I said, his spinning arm is, I don't know if you hear that. It's pretty loud, so here we go. And I guess now I can do a duet. Let's see, turn it back this way. This rug is all wrinkled up. There we go. Alright, and here goes nothing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.